In this video, we're going to show you how to convert tweaks on serotonin with a patcher, with the root hide patcher. So first of all, you need to look up root hide patcher right here and then get it. Once it's installed, just click done. Okay, once it's done installing, just go to Bootstrap and then just respring. It should pop up with this app right here, and then this is how you're gonna convert the files. Then after that, you're gonna have to go find a tweet that you want, and then we're gonna go with rocket for Instagram. Click get. This should pop up. Once you see this, just click convert. Once it's done converting, just save it to your files. I already had another one, so I'm gonna just replace that one. Once it's done, just open up Patcher and then click the file that you wanted. Alrighty, just click convert. Once it's done, click save to file. And after that, he's gonna go to the files app. Okay, just click the new one that he's downloaded. And then click share. And then open it up on Cilio. Take it to this new page. You should be able to install it now. After the resprings, it should be able to open now. Or I should say it's installed. Alright, there you go. It's installed. And that's the easiest method to install tweaks on the new serotonin jailbreak. Like, comment, and subscribe.